Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about tree topology. In our last lecture, we have discussed about bus topology, ring topology, yes, star topology, which was used for best LAN connections. But tree topologies also plays an important role in our hierarchical design as well as in big MNC design. Yes, in big MNCs, they have so many floor in their buildings. So in that type of topology, we are going to discuss about tree topology because big MNCs always use these type of topologies. Now, let's discuss the concept of tree topology. In tree topology, you can say this is a best combination of bus topology and star topology. Already we have discussed about bus topology, that bus topology is using backbone cable with them and T-type connectors are using in bus topology, and also in star device we are using switches, hubs and another device like any concretors which is used as a centralized device. So when we combined star topology and bus topology, then same backbone cable is used like a T-type connector is connected to switch or hub, and after that switches are directly connected with their PCs and another device. As you can see in my diagram, switches are sending information to each and every PC, but that is directly connected with one backbone cable. Okay, so I have also written that it is a combination of star and bus topology. Like you grow a tree, then tree has so many branches there. Similarly, in tree design, we have a backbone cable and backbone cable is connected with switches and hub. So multiple elements are connected through a single connection, and each node in hierarchy level has point-to-point link with each adjacent node on its below level. So tree topology helps us in designing purpose in big MNCs, as I already told you. Now we have so many advantages and disadvantages of this topology. So we have to discuss step by step what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages. So if we talk about advantages of tree topology, then we can say this is used for extension of bus and star. Like if you want to extend your network in bus and star, you can make tree topology. It will help you to extend the network, and on the other hand, it is possible and easy connection. Like if you want to expand with switch, then it is very easy. So we can maintain this and manage this in easy way. Okay, and one of the most important thing is error detection is easily done, but only in the case if we have backbone cable directly connected to switches on hierarchical basis. But there are so many disadvantages of this topology, because when the network is growing, then we have so many heavily cabled there. If cables are heavily, costly is there. When it is growing, like growing than our expectations, then if we are adding nodes and each and every nodes, then maintenance is difficult time to time. So if my central hub fails, similar in star topology, all my network fails. So as we have discussed, tree topologies have some advantages and disadvantages. In our next lecture, we are going to discuss about one of the most important topology. So happy to learn and thank you so much.